Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and also continue to obey the Elliot structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Hbar from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out over here, you can see that after making our lower low at around the $0.0356 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, and then continued pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.0987 mark. And after seeing the formation of this wave 5, we completed a 5-wave structure to the upper side, therefore completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure over here in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.0676 mark and the $0.0602 mark, and it is within this yellow target area that I was expecting to see the low for that second wave to the lower side. And you can see we have fully maximized that target area, and having done so, that means there are chances that we might have seen the low for this second wave. But in case the breakdown continues and we lose the fib level 0.618, then we need to continue watching the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.0497 mark, which is still a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. So I need to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, so that now the target area now lies between the $0.0676 mark and the $0.0497 mark, and it is within this yellow target area that we can expect to see the low for that second wave in case the breakdown continues, and that is in case we lose the fib level 0.618 and also lose a key area of support at around the $0.0566 mark over here. So in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting Hbar to continue holding within this yellow target area, so that we can say that we are still in the formation of that wave 2, and at some point we are going to see the low for that second wave and start an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 2, I was also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, and you can see that we are seeing this ABC corrective structure over here. And if I sketch a target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave C by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the high of that wave A to the low of that wave A, then drag the fibs to the high of that wave B, that gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave C at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0602 mark, which is a target area that at the time of this recording we have not yet touched, and there are chances that in case the breakdown continues, we are going to fully maximize it. And since we have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance, then there are high chances of fully maximizing that target area. So continue expecting a breakdown over here, and also maybe one more leg down in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2 before we can confirm that we have seen the low for that second wave and start our impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 36 mark, meaning in case the breakdown continues here on the RSI, that movement will be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross that fully supports the breakdown to the lower side into our yellow target area over here. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.